Hindi ko alam kung gusto mong mag-Tagalog o mag-English o mag-Taglish.
Okay lang mag-Taglish kasi maintindihan akong Tagalog pero mas madaling maintindihan kaysa sa magsalita sa akin. So pag sobrang lalim ng topic, I switch to English.
Ganon din yung mga Pilipino, di ba? May maraming English minsan pag malalim yung topic. Pero gano'n ka na katagal nagtatagalog?
Nung 2020, nasa Philippines ako that time. I was visiting my stepmom because she is a Filipina. And when I went back, Ray, my asawa, my fiancé, chatted me on Instagram. That time, syempre, because of my stepmom, I wanted to learn Filipino. At first, friends lang kami talaga. We chatted and he teach me Tagalog. Yeah, and after 3 months of nangliligaw, is that right? um,
Yeah.
he asked me, will you be my girlfriend? So, syempre, sabi ko, oo. So, that was my first contact with Tagalog.